Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer health insurance with Blue Cross Blue Shield step by step clearly. To transfer your health insurance with Blue Cross Blue Shield, begin by gathering your current policy information. Check your current health insurance plan details, including coverage and benefits. Visit the Blue Cross Blue Shield website for specific instructions about the transfer process. If you are an existing member, log into your account to access personalized information. Review the eligibility requirements for transferring your insurance. If you are not a current member, consider creating an online account for easier access. Contact customer service to inquire about the transfer process. Have your current policy number ready for reference when you call. Ask about any specific forms or documentation needed for the transfer. Fill out any required forms accurately, ensuring all information is correct. Submit the necessary documents, either online or via mail, as directed. Keep a copy of all submitted documents for your records. Monitor your account or follow up with customer service for updates on your transfer status. Once your transfer is approved, review your new policy details carefully. Make sure to understand any changes in coverage or benefits. Keep track of any changes in payment schedules or premiums. If you have any questions after the transfer, reach out to customer service again for clarification. With these steps, you can successfully transfer your health insurance with Blue Cross Blue Shield. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.